Cyclone Fengal has completed the landfall process on Sunday around 2 a.m. as it crossed the Tamil Nadu coast between Karaikal and Mahabalipuram. So it crossed Karaikal and Mahabalipuram last night, and now it will move west-southwestward slowly and weaken gradually into a deep depression during the next few hours. The cyclone triggered heavy rainfall and strong winds over coastal districts in North Tamil Nadu, flooding low-lying areas and disrupting flights and train services in Chennai. In fact, 3 people died in rain-related incidents in Chennai. Multiple flights to and from Chennai were affected, and the authorities also issued travel advisories for flyers amid the continuing heavy rains. Additionally, Chennai Airport suspended all its operation until today 4 a.m. and has now resumed the operations. So Cyclone Fengal's landfall process has been completed. It crossed the Tamil Nadu coast between Karaikal and Mahabalipuram last night. And now it will move west-southwestwards slowly and weaken gradually into a deep depression during the next few hours. Now, this cyclone triggered heavy rainfall and strong winds over coastal districts in North Tamil Nadu, flooding low-lying areas and also disrupting the flights and train services in Chennai. In fact, we're also learning that, unfortunately, 3 people have died in rain-related incidents in Chennai, and multiple flights to and from Chennai were affected due to this cyclone, and the authorities issued travel advisories for flyers amid the continuing heavy rains. Chennai Airport also suspended all its operations until 4 a.m. today, but the operations have resumed now that the cyclone has passed from Tamil Nadu, and it is also expected to weaken in the next few hours.
வீடு கம்மியா தான் இருக்கும். பழைய வீடு தான் இங்க அதிகமா இருக்கும். இப்ப பாதிக்கப்பட்டது எல்லாமே பழைய வீட்டுக்காரங்க தான். அவங்க அப்பா, அவங்க பாட்டன், முப்பாட்டன் வாங்கி வச்சிட்டு போன சொத்துல இருக்கும்போது இப்ப எல்லாருமே கீழ் போர்ஷன்ல இடுப்பளவு தண்ணி இல்ல, கழுத்தளவு தண்ணியில எல்லாரும் அவஸ்தைப்படுறாங்க. இதுக்கு
So the landfall process of Cyclone Fengal has been completed, and it crossed the Tamil Nadu coast between Karaikal and Mahabalipuram last night. Heavy rain lashed Tamil Nadu, and in fact, several areas in Chennai are still inundated. Now, the cyclone will move west-southwestward slowly and weaken gradually into a deep depression during the next few hours. We are showing you the visuals of the aftermath in Tamil Nadu, in fact, particularly in Chennai. The airport was also shut because of the cyclone, but now the operations have resumed. My colleague Varshini is now joining us with more details on this. Varshini, what is the scale of damage that has been caused due to Cyclone Fengal?
Well, Cyclone Fengal has definitely turned the Indian territory of Puducherry upside down. The entire life of the come to a standstill because of the situation. The landfall at 10 p.m. Last night. So, as this landfall has started happening, rains. Particularly when we saw IMD had specifically mentioned about Puducherry being the cyclone very close to Puducherry, and after the landfall as well, we saw that the cyclone is still stationed near Puducherry for the past 6 hours.
Near Puducherry for the past 6 hours is what the IMD is stating at this point of time. And what is very scary is situation most of the places are inundated. Like you can see, trees are getting uprooted, and on the other hand there's water inundation everywhere. People are struggling to wade through this water in and around Puducherry, and many houses are completely inundated with water. People are struggling to evacuate. There are women, there are children, there are elderly people. Though the corporation of Pondicherry is trying to immediately send in help as much as possible to clear these trees from the roads and to evacuate people. JCBs are coming to clear out the debris where some blockages have happened. All of this is proving to be a really difficult time for the people of Puducherry, in spite of the government trying to put out a lot of restrictions, taking up preventive measures. The wrath of this cyclone is something that nobody could have guessed. It is so unimaginable, and that is why we are facing so much difficulty at this point of time, because the rains lashed Puducherry until 4 a.m. today, and that that is the result of these rains is why we are seeing all the roads inundated because of these incessant rains, trees being uprooted and a lot of other situation that is proving very difficult. What is needed at this point of time is help for evacuation and food, because people say that there has been no electricity from last night around 8:10 p.m. Last night there was power cut because of the massive rains, and that is when from then most of the people say that they've not eaten anything, so there is no way that they are able to cook anything, and that they are waiting for the food to be delivered to their places. We can see children, women, elderly people, everybody who are together struggling here, and they want evacuation immediately. They want food and water. We saw people coming out, men walking all the way through this water, coming to the main roads just to buy water bottles and take it back home. So it is a very pathetic situation, very heartbreaking. We can only hope that it all clears as soon as possible, because on the other hand, IMD is predicting that there could be more rains, that because of the cyclone Fangel, that's completely, though it has completely moved to the land, it's still stationed near Puducherry for the past 6 hours. So once it starts moving, there could be again another set of rains is what the IMD is predicting at this point of time. So what if it rains again over and over, and what if the situation gets even worse, is the panic that is prevailing here. So we can only hope that the people will be able to get through this very safely. To all they want is to move to relief camps with the help of the government, so that they can stay there until things get sorted in their houses and in their localities.
Right, Varshini. Also, which are the worst affected areas if we talk about Puducherry?
Well, if you see, the entire Puducherry is a very small town, and here there are a lot of colonies where the situation is worse. Like, this is just a main road. This is how you travel from one end of the city to the other end, and this main road is also inundated, and you can see how the vehicles are struggling to go. So this area called Lospet, this area is called Kalapet. There are all of these main areas. Everywhere there is water in these areas. Only only the roads near the beach, the coastal part, which is not a low-lying area, is better looking, but otherwise the low-lying areas are severely affected. We saw Kamaraj Salai in the beginning. Now we are seeing Rainbow Nagar, Krishna Nagar. All of these areas are completely inundated, is what we are able to witness at this point. Though the people are saying that they are able to be here since they are with their families, they are okay to go through this situation. All that they want is some help from the government, so that it will make it easier for them. As we spoke to the Puducherry Chief Minister Rangaswamy yesterday, he told us that almost 172 relief camps have been put out throughout Puducherry. So the people are just unable to move, travel and reach the relief camps. So they're hoping for some help to come. And in these relief camps, food is being provided, shelter is being provided, basic necessities are being given. And that is why at this point they are waiting for some vehicles or boats or something to come and pick them up, so that they can move to their relief camps along with their families, because the water has entered the houses and all the things have been damaged. There is no place to live, and that is why people expect to move to relief camps, so that they can live in a safer space until the government is able to clear these roads out and restore this place back to normalcy.
All right, Varshini, thank you so much for getting us all those details right from the ground. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this as